First, ensure your Payoneer and PayPal accounts are properly set up. Visit their websites and log into your accounts. Next, you'll need to verify your accounts. Check your email for any verification links needed. Once verified, navigate to the settings in your Payoneer account. Look for Withdraw to Bank. You'll need to link your PayPal account for the transfer. Click on Add Bank Account. Input your PayPal details accurately and save the changes. Make sure everything matches. Finally, initiate the transfer by clicking on Withdraw. Confirm your details and you're done. Wait for the transaction to process. PayPal can take a few days to reflect the funds. Keep an eye on your PayPal account. You'll receive a notification when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to the customer support sections of both platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from Payoneer to PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy transferring!